Hello everybody, SAP Simple here. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to become friends on Facebook without sending request. It's an easy process, so let's start. First of all, I want to say that there are many ways to become friends with someone whenever you want to contact or whenever you want to meet with them. So first of all, just go to their profile. Here you can see first one is a friend request. You can send friend request there by directly to be friend. After that, there are also options that just click to the three dot menu here, and then you will see option that follow. So after that, if the friend request is on the way, so also the profile you can see the follow option will be shown there. So this one is not, so in that case you can see the follow options, so you can just follow them. After that, there will be options will be come to message. Just click to the message options, and then you can send their a message. For messaging, you can just contact with them. After that, you will see the add friend option will be shown there. So there's the three process how you can become friends with Facebook without sending request. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the